What's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Cardano Ada. My friends, the people ask me questions in my personal account of Instagram, Telegram, that when will the price of Cardano increase, my friends? Is there a chance to the price increase in the June or not, my friends? So I will answer your question. Keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and like this video for more news and updates videos. It is time. First of all, we look at the latest update, and after that, we do a technical analysis. And after that, we decide is the price increase in the June or not, my friends. My friends, you can see here the currently in live price of the Cardano at this time is 1.42 USD dollar. 1.42 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano. On the other side, my friends, if we look the price changes occur in the Cardano Ada, so absolutely now in the last hour at this time the Cardano Ada price is going good, and the previous changes is very bad, my friends. You already know about the previous changes occur in the Cardano. In the previous time, in the previous week, the Cardano price is going down day by day, hour by hour. Now from the last 60 minutes the Cardano start pumping and the price become positive, but my friends, we can't say about the future of Cardano, but from the moves of the Cardano, I think that there is not a chance that the price will pump more and more. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart, and let's do a technical analysis. My friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Cardano. You are completely in the loss. The Cardano holders completely from the previous last 1 month. The all cryptocurrencies market is in the loss. You know what, my friends, the Cardano price falls down from a 2.43 USD dollar to 1.42 USD dollar. Oh my god, that is really a big loss of all ADA holders. From 2 USD dollar to the price falls down to 1 USD dollar. Approximately in the last 1 month, the price of Cardano is falls down 1 USD dollar. So my friends, now the question is that is the price increase in the June or not, my friends? So personally, my prediction is going positive because the cryptocurrency's principle is that after a fall there is a jump. So maybe, my friends, maybe the price will pump in this June, but they can hit a 2 USD dollar. 2 USD dollar is my target for a Cardano. By looking the moves of Cardano, 2 USD dollar is my target. What do you think about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Take for more news and updates videos.